Hello and welcome back. This is Ashur Rafi once again. In this video, I'm going to talk about data entry scammers which you should avoid at any means. So as you can see in one of my videos, I have received this comment yesterday. This guy is offering two jobs. One is form filling, which is really easy to do. Another one is data typing, which is really easy to do. And if you just notice, they have got these job descriptions and it looks really cool for any beginner. So they are targeting only the beginners, and the complexity comes, or the fraudulent activity comes right from here. As you can see, to begin you have to register your name. Registration fee is this much, right? For this job they are asking this much upfront as a registration fees, which is completely illogical and unnecessary. Please never ever fall for these guys. These are real scammers. They are going to take your money and they are not going to give you the job, or if they do, they are never ever going to reply on your emails or on your message, right? So please ignore these jobs. All the jobs, these are real in online marketplaces, or let's say I have completed over 130 projects in my freelancing career. I have never ever had to pay anything upfront till this stage. So please, from my experience, I am telling these types of jobs are coming from real scammers, so please avoid them at any means. Let me just show you. Not only these comments, you are going to find these peoples on freelancer.com. you might going to find some peoples on Fiverr as well. You might going to find these peoples on Upwork as well. So if you are receiving these types of offers on any platform, simply report these guys so that their profiles will be banned and some other people will be saved. So now let me show you some other examples. I received these types of emails randomly. So if you just notice, 4 days ago I have received one email which is regarding this fraud activities. As you can see, so I have placed so many bids for free to get my first project, but no one is approaching me. Okay, so in this case, this is really like a general thing. Like at the beginning you might have to apply on 20 jobs, 30 jobs to get your very first response. This is totally okay. So please keep trying and you are going to be successful for sure. Now let's go for the next part. Some of them are asking security deposit. So this is what it is like. They are trying him as a beginner to scam him, right? So I said no to them. This is a clever decision from Sai. Thank you so much for taking the decision. And then he just written how to get good rating and reviews. Sir, is there any work for me? Okay, so I'm going to answer this first letter to him. So this is one example. So he took good decision in regarding these scammers. Now let me show you another one which I randomly get these types of emails. As you can see, the terms and condition, the budget is really a large amount. As you can see, $6,175 US, and they are going to pay you like 5 USD per page. Yeah, 5 USD per page, which is really high considering the market price available for these types of data entry jobs. And then for accuracy 90%, you are going to find $5 US. For accuracy 75%, you are going to get $2 per page. So even if you are making some mistakes, they are still giving you money. So this is one point that you should note as a scammer offering you. Okay, and then the interesting thing comes here. As you can see, security deposit $30 US. If you want to start working with them, you have to pay them as security deposit. And again, this is completely unnecessary, and they are going to take your money. They might going to provide you a large PDF file. You will work and then you will send them back the file, and you will never receive any further email from them. So in this case, please don't send any upfront money to anyone to get a job. These people are real scammers. From my experience, I never had to pay a single penny as a upfront to join in any company. So please ignore them. Never ever send them money, and when possible report these guys so that some other people are going to be saved by your activities, right? So I believe you have found some information from this video. If you did, please provide a review, and I hope the very best for your success. Have a good day. Bye bye.